Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of Miss Wolf and her sister Fox, chapter 34. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to UNC. Right now, she come back home. She's going to see Minjun and ask her. Since it was raining hard, look at her. She got fully drenched on the rain. Now she entered the room, seeing that Minjun is already sleeping. She was sleeping on the couch, and right now she's been awake, cause seeing her like that. Minjun said, "Sister." Now, looking at her, she finally stood up. She was calling UNC, but UNC is not speaking. Elder sister, looking at UNC, it seems that she is enraged. "You are finally back. I'm very happy." UNC, she moved closer to her. Look at her right now. UNC, she looks really strange. Suddenly, she stepped back and wanted to pull back away. So definitely she need to control herself. Anger. She need to calm down before asking her a question. Minjun, she suddenly stopped. "What's the matter? Is my sister afraid of staining me? Then I will get you a towel." This time, Minjun, she doesn't know that UNC knows that the cause of death of her mother. Right now, Minjun, she's trying to speak to her. "Why are you looking at me like that?" Looking at UNC, she looks like she was really enraged, right? Her eyes is really seeing her that she's going to lose herself. But right now, are you angry because I didn't answer your call at this afternoon? Minjun is asking her, but still, she was not speaking. Brother, Xiaojun, I want to ask you something. Now she really got serious. Still, she was not smiling. She was serious on asking her questions. With the rage in the eyes, right now, UNC said, "My sister, Min Miaowin, how did she die?" Oh, it turns out she want to ask questions about her dead sister. Hearing this right now, Minjun suddenly paused and said to herself, "Why she suddenly asked about my mother?" But looking at herself, it seems that she is really worried and she became pale. How did she commit it? She cut her own wrist. Minjun said to her, "Well, definitely, she was trying to hide something. But right now, looking at her, she really can speak well. The Jian family was a cage that imprisoned her soul, and she had long been determined to die. When I found her in the bathroom, the Vatap have turned into the fool." Ah, after hearing this right now, UNC, it's like she's having a headache. So, is there any evidence? Right now, she was still asking Minjun even though she knew the truth. But, look at her, she looks really innocent. "I was too young at the time, and she don't remember it," Minjun said to her. Now, it was clearly that Minjun, she really wants to hide everything. But Xiaojun, my sister died of air embolism, was the person who's committed by cutting her own wrist. Right now, it was UNC. She was really crying hard. "Well, definitely, air embolism. No, no wonder my sister is acting like this. It turns out that my sister already knows. Now, it really makes sense." Looking at Minjun, divert the attentions of UNC. She's been lying to her. "Ah, you all know. I can explain. I don't know if my mother is really with me or not," Minjun said to UNC. "But it was UNC. Did you eliminate her? Answer me. No matter what, I want you to answer me." Now, this is really getting crazy. UNC, she's losing herself. She moved closer to Minjun. Minjun said to her, "Is it really important?" Well, definitely, it was really important for UNC because Min Miao Min, her sister, is the cause of my mother's death so important even my mother has been dead for nearly 10 years. Is still the most important person in your eyes. The living will never be able to watch the undead after being beautified indefinitely. I have to get a clear guarantee of my sister and 100% preference, so I dare you to tell everything and before taking out my actions. Now, looking at UNC, she is really losing her patience. Although right now, she's trying to calm down. She's breaking through. don't want to get touched by Minjun. Of course, this is really too tough for her. Sister, she really loves her, but it was all gone because of Minjun. You should be lucky I only know the truth now, and not 8 years ago. Of course, if she knows that before, she will do anything just to punish her, right? Now, Minjun said to herself, so my sister didn't even give me the only chance to argue. So, definitely right now, UNC, she doesn't care for her anymore. Of course, Chansung's words are not credible, and the photos and videos are not necessarily the truth, but right now, that Minjun, she knows things, but Min Meow instead has always been a thorn in her heart. Well, definitely, she was really sad knowing the fast that her sister died. It's all because of Minjun, and it really hurts her more. Just want a simple, clear denial, even as long as it's all clear. Well, definitely, she really wants to soak in the rain, to forget everything, the news that she's been through. Sister, don't you want me again? Right now, Minjun is following her. She was still calling her. Of course, UNC, she really got hurt. So, there's nothing more happening. Such a heavy rain, her leg disease is sure to come back. Sister, please don't ignore me. Minjun said to her. Still, she was still following her, even though it was really raining hard. UNC, still, she's still ignoring her. Until Minjun trying to reach her, trying to stop her by holding her hands. But looking at Minjun, she looks really apologetic. Of course, UNC, it was really hurt on hers right now. She don't know what to do. Especially, this is the daughter of her sister. Now, UNC, what is she going to do? What is she going to do on Minjun? Do you know how important Meow Min in my heart? In that lonely time, she was like my spiritual pillar guiding directions of my life. Well, definitely, Meow Min, she was really good sister at her. That's why UNC, she really can accept the fact her sister is really gone. Even though Minjun is trying to coax her, but right now, of course, it was really hard to her to forgive her. She is also the most important person in my life. Now, this is getting tough. Now, she's trying to ask that I really love her mother. Although right now, it was really hard for UNC to decide. And let's hope they really can fix this problem. Minjun, what is she going to do to coax her back again? Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!